guys, welcome to another unboxing. This is a USPS. Wow. Special tape that doesn't cut. The uncuttable USPS tape. Oh my goodness. Never struggled this much. Okay, cool. Let's see what's in the boxy. A box inside a box, and this, my friends, is the Pico 2G. It looks like it's fully sealed, brand new, and that is a wonderful thing. So I'm gonna do some peeling here, and then I'll do a second unboxing of the box, because this one took too long and I can't fit everything in one video, else I won't be able to upload anything that's larger than 1 minute these days. It's just horrible with the internet that I got. Thanks for watching and see you soon.